Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been getting a lot of questions about the equipment I use in gumming the acrylic plastic glass on top of the wood. So I decided to make a closer video of the equipment. So this is it. It is called electric gum wax. You can browse it on Google. Let me spell it so I see the spelling very well. Electric gum wax. So you can get it where they sell tailoring materials. Like they tell us those that sews clothes, they normally use it in gumming stones on their clothes or gumming other things. So once you go to any market where they sell tailoring materials, ask them for this. Also, it comes with a refill. This is called a refill. If you buy it, you buy the refill. It comes like this, but they can sell in pieces to you, one, but it's better and cheaper to buy in bundle. It comes in a 30 pieces bundle. So this electric gun wax, it uses electricity. This is the wire. Let's plug it into electricity through this extension. So I've plugged it. It's now time to switch it on. You see, it's now on. So you wait for about, let's say, 3 minutes for it to get hot. I think it has what they call that stuff that comes inside electric iron that makes iron to be hot. Element, I think. So when the element heats up, it will melt this stuff. This thing is like a candle. When it melts it, if you press here, this is the handle. If you press it here, to come out from here. So as it's heating, this one is 100 watts. They have a smaller size, but I recommend you go with this one. This one is 100 watts. I think the smaller size is 30 watts or so. This one heats up very fast and is better. As it's heating up, let me just introduce some of the equipment I use in that acrylic glass, acrylic picture photo enlargement, whatever you use in doing it. So this is the glue. This is the brown one I normally use in gumming the photo on the board before I layer the acrylic. I just brought out this to use as an example to show you guys. This is the board I do use. Then this is just a little piece of the acrylic glass. This is a transparent, it's like a plastic. It's not the normal glass, you know. It's like a plastic, but it's transparent. And whenever you are doing the photo, you are making your DIY photo enlargement frameless, you don't allow this gum to touch on it, because once it touches on it, it will spoil it. Then you don't allow fuel to touch it, fuel, kerosene. The only thing you can use to clean it is oil, any type of oil, whether groundnut oil or engine oil, any type of oil can clean whatever is on it. So my process has always been, in my videos, if you have watched most of my tutorials, you will know that I start with applying this gum on top of here. After applying it, I put the printed picture. After putting the printed picture, I now put the glass above it. Okay, I'll use this and explain it to you. As I'm doing this, we are waiting for the electric gun wax to heat up, so I'll use it and show you how it's being done, because I just noticed that some of my videos don't show it, they don't make it very clear. So let's continue with other things I use. This is cutter. I use it in maybe dressing the edges. Want to make a 20 by 30 inches acrylic photo enlargement. You buy a 20 by 30 board, 20 by 30 printing. They will print the picture in 20 by 30 inches and they will cut this glass to you in 20 by 30 inches. But most times they do make a mistake, and this might, after placing, this might get like this. It might get bigger, so you need to trim off the excesses. So this is where this comes handy. So this is the cutter. It comes in a set like this. I think it's like 20 inside one or 10. This must have heated, so let's try it out. Okay, it's coming out. So you apply it on the edges, you don't allow it to shoot up. Then you use this mount and level it, because what we are trying to achieve, we are trying to make this glass to come to this board and cover this line, the line between them. So one thing about this electric gun wax is immediately you're applying the gun, it's drying off immediately. Then let me use this and show you the instance where the acrylic glass is excess. I use this cutter to make it level. So I start by holding it like this. You hold this part. Do you see now? It's not level. So you continue with applying. So that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching.